Less than an hour ago, we got the final reading on economic growth, annual economic growth from the April to June quarter. It's 4.2%. Art Laffer's here, former Reagan economist. You happy with that number, 4.2%?
I'm very happy. It's a very good beginning number. I mean, we need to do a lot of these in seriatim, Stuart, to really get the prosperity back, but it's a good start, and I'm really pleased with it.
OK, we're now in the July through September quarter. Next month, we get the reading, the official reading on how fast we're growing in this quarter. What do you think we're going to get? 4%?
I think we should get something along the same lines.
Yeah?
I would expect that. By the way, I loved your coverage of the press conference. I watched the whole thing. It's phenomenal. I spent a little bit of time with him probably a week and a half ago in the Oval Office with Larry Kudlow and Steve Mnuchin, and he's as good in private as he is in public. It's amazing, this man, and how he operates. He's just incredible.
I've never seen a press conference like that. Actually, more than that, I've never seen any president open up in such a direct fashion with any group of people, ever. I've never seen that before.
No, he's an amazing person. I mean, you're right. The closest thing I've ever seen to this type of openness and discussion was with Lady Thatcher when she would have it down in Parliament there. She was as good back and forth as anyone I've ever seen. Yes. But Donald Trump is as good as anyone, and he hits the issues correctly. It's not as though it's some sort of wild opinion. It's well thought out answers that are just done very quickly. And Susan, you did a great job, by the way.
Oh,
I loved watching you on that. And coming right back at him and all of that. And it was it was an amazing press conference. And the economy looks great, too.
Susan overshadows me. She's the rising star.
No one can overshadow you, Stuart.
No.
But one second, before you go, Art, let's get back to economics.
Sure.
We've got the third interest rate increase this year. The expectation of more to come. Is that going to stifle the economy or the market rally?
No, in fact, what you heard the president say in the press conference, which I was really impressed with, you know, he's been a borrower all the time as a businessman, and he loves low interest rates because he can borrow at low rates when he did all the Trump production there. But he said, you know, higher interest rates means that older people get higher returns, so there's more attraction of capital coming in. He was really good on interest rates yesterday at the press conference, and I think Powell's doing the right thing, bringing those rates up to market rates, and I think that will help the economy, not hurt it.
Got it.
Interest rates can be too low and they can be too high. What you want to do is have that interest rate, Stuart, where demand equals supply, and then you'll maximize economic growth. And I'm really pleased with how that's working out as well.
Good stuff. Art Laffer, thanks for joining us. We'll see you again soon.
My pleasure. Thank you.